We are currently 24 hours out before this car has to head to SEMA in Las Vegas. This whole StreetHunter project from the very beginning, we knew we wanted to push all of the boundaries with this car. We started this project about 3 months ago from the initial scanning of the car, and the whole intention of purchasing this Mustang was to create this project for StreetHunter. We've been doing StreetHunter now for 5 years, and I think after a certain point, you start to question yourself of if you can keep on pushing and finding your boundaries and limits to deliver that wow factor. We've had the car in our hands now for a little over 72 hours, and the car is in shambles. I hear it. We have a
Oh my God, he drove it like that?
Yeah. I can't believe you drove it like that.
I know, I really
no trunk, no hood.
We got no nothing today.
Motherfucker.
It wouldn't be SEMA without it, right?
What?
How many looks did you get when you were driving this?
I just tried to not to look at
Tried just to not pay attention to anybody? Just keep your eyes straight. Oh my God. All right, well, let's get it inside because we have fenders to cut. We never planned for it to be this last minute because it never really is. It takes many, many people and countless hours to try to pull off assembling something in a 72-hour period, days before it's supposed to be revealed to the world. This is still a prototype car. We just made one version of everything. And these pieces are versions of OEM bumpers, OEM clips, OEM things with our skin on top of it. And how it normally goes is we'd make our prototype, build the whole entire car. Once it looks good, the fitment is good, and all the boxes get checked of all of our quality control, then we'll move forward and make our final molds, add our carbon fiber, add different reinforcements, and make a final piece that is sold to our customers. So with that, it has a lot of drawbacks. Not everything is gonna be perfect right now. We're working with something that isn't 100% ready, and it really just makes every hour count.
Oh, I know what it is. I'm actually super excited to see these in person.
I'm like dying to see these wheels. So these wheels are so cool. This is from Apex Wheels. We worked with them on Kevin's Porsche. This wheel isn't technically out yet. Let's just say it's a remake of a very, very popular wheel that I'm so in love with. But I was like, guys, I need this wheel so bad. Can we find a way for you guys to make a one-off custom set for the Mustang? Because it would just be the cherry on top. And they were like, okay, Tej, I think we can do it. They rushed these, so huge shout out to Apex Wheels. I've been so stressed out on so many different things. I'm bringing a little tear in my eye. This is like, I'm so excited for these. I haven't seen them yet. I've never even seen this wheel in person. I've just seen pictures of it online. Well, let me get the first look.
Yeah, do it. Okay.
Oh my God.
Show me. I need to see them. Do it. I can see the spokes. I can see the spokes.
God.
I'm sitting over here like,
Do you even know what they look like?
I don't know what they look like, but I'm hyped. I don't know. I didn't care.
Oh my God.
Do it. Just do it. Oh!
God, they look better in person.
Oh my God.
What?
Damn.
Oh my God, check this out. They put our logo on the inside.
Oh, that's so sick. Dude.
Damn.
Close the mouth.
Hold on.
Close the eye.
Check that out, bro.
God damn.
Check this out too. Yeah. Isn't that sick?
That's the best view. This right here.
I know.
That's the best view.
It's literally
Sit here for a few
insane.
hours.
Look at that thing.
25 or what is it?
325, 30, 20.
Sick.
These are the rears.
Oh my god.
That looks so good.
Are you kidding me?
In the light, oh my god, how it hits
Stand
it.
where I'm standing.
It's so aggressive. Oh. But it's welcoming and soft with the champagne color.
It's so sick.
I just want to drink it.
How you gonna do that?
I'm gonna,
Melt it down.
yeah,
I can't wait to see this happen.
5,000 degrees down the throat. Easy.
Almost there.
Almost.
Almost there.
Almost. Looks good though,
It's
huh?
looking like a car.
Yeah.
What do you think? You think it's wrapped up tonight? Besides the front bumper? Which I not done?
We'll be pretty fast. I mean, well, you should be looking at Chelsea.
Oh, it's done. It's already done.
No, it's gonna come together, I think, by like Friday morning.
Yeah.
But we're still gotta test fit wheels, get everything fitted out. What's that face?
I mean, without the front bumper, I mean, I'm still.
Oh, you're gonna have the front bumper done tomorrow night. Yeah. That's what your brother said. He's like, yeah, tomorrow night I'll be done.
My brother's knee deep in a like this chotch. There's this chotch like we're building like an interior.
Oh
for him.
yeah, probably like the coolest Mustang you guys ever built.
Yeah,
no,
so-
I know that one.
Yeah, we're building. He's doing that, and then I'm doing this. Yeah, it's Friday. Might be dropping it off Friday.
As we're finally getting into the last chapter of getting this car ready and on its path to SEMA, I got a letter in the mail. This letter was from a certain auto manufacturer that point blank didn't like what we were doing. In certain ways, they felt offended and disrespected and basically said they're trying to put a stop to this car to even being at SEMA and ultimately never seeing the light of day for any customers out there. I had a lot of mixed feelings about this in the first 24 hours after receiving that letter, especially because we were so close to getting this on the way to SEMA and revealing it to everyone that it felt wrong. The way it was handled felt wrong. But it took me a while to really understand their perspective, and I respect that. I absolutely do, but I also respect the fact that there are so many key differences on what we did, and I think seeing it in person really allows you to see that, and it's something that is currently ongoing. And as the moment I'm filming this video, I don't even know if the car is even going to be allowed into SEMA. We are currently in contact with them, and we had a conversation this morning that actually went pretty well, I would say. And it seems that they are willing to work with us to a certain extent in giving it the okay for this car to actually be produced and have kits made so customers out there could enjoy what we've spent so much time and money on. But there's also a harsh reality to that. If we don't find a middle ground, StreetHunter has just wasted way more than what it cost just to purchase this Mustang to begin with for nothing. Ultimately, we are a small business and you can't necessarily fight big major corporate companies like that. It just doesn't work. So it's terrifying, but we're hopeful to find a middle ground, and that's all we can do at this moment. But the show goes on.
How did you feel when you first got that letter in the mail?
Oh, I was fired up. It was getting kind of fun.
I've been wondering what has happened to you now. Am I the only one who's struggling to move on? Yeah.
parts. I bring parts.
Thanks, man.
Big parts.
We decided to show up.
Look what the cat did.
Like, obviously, I'm Mexican. I'm on Mexican time.
What
I didn't
the
do
None of us said that but you.
It's here.
You're lucky you're handsome, dude. I swear.
I think these were gonna make it.
I think I'm fucking so late.
I don't know. You were just.
The inside of those is fucking straight fiberglass.
Yeah, I see it, Puto.
Yeah, I see it, Puto.
Decide if we want to. Those are really good. Why is it just floating?
It's that good.
What is wrong with you?
No tape
If that fell,
What's that called?
no, that's not.
When you
You by yourself. Oscar falls, cracks it in half.
You're stumbling like you're fucking drunk, dude.
Look at that.
I don't know how this is supposed to.
Just look at the sides. Like there's a.
It's supposed to come way up.
Oh, wow, that was
Big
really,
chin.
Damn.
really pleasant to watch that.
Crimson Bim.
Someone get the canards. Someone get the canards.
They're inside on the coffee table.
Bro skedaddled out of here.
Thank you, Hudson.
Oh, there it is. Oh, I knew that's
Damn.
exactly. See, that was the next spot I was going for.
It's gonna line up just like this.
Sick.
It's about 8 a.m. Saturday morning. We were supposed to be leaving in 5 hours. We're not leaving in 5 hours.
Whether this car makes it into SEMA or not, we decided that we are going to finish this car. We're gonna bring it to Vegas. And if we can't be inside the show, we're gonna take it somewhere else. We're gonna get people out to see it. So many people who follow the channel and follow StreetHunter and our customers are excited to see this car. And that's what fuels us at the end of the day. We're gonna use every single hour over the next 24 we have to go, and we're gonna finish this car, and we are gonna bring it. And I think that will make a statement.
Damn.
Okay, I got you. I got you.
The first time it's moving.
It has been such a journey, but to see the car for the first time in person is actually an unreal experience. Despite everything that happened, we're heading to Vegas, baby!
Let's go, baby! Holy fucking shit.
All right, it's 8:30. We just finished. It's Saturday. Tomorrow is SEMA. We have to go. Shout out to the team. Shout out to everybody. Dylan, Jake, Dylan, Ian, Jake 2. two Jakes?
That's
Two Dylans.
fucking great.
I was like, wait, there's too many of the same names.
Your face after is Dylan, Jake, Dylan, Jake,
Jake
Dylan,
and
Jake.
Ian. I feel like I'm like, it's like the 1800s and we're sailing off and I'm like, I'm going west. Yeah. See you guys in a year. Like, goodbye. That's how I feel right now.
Sure, you don't see a kraken or a siren. Those
fine. I'll sing to it. It's okay.
That's gonna be great, dude. She's seaworthy.
Adios, brothers.
Goodbye.
It hasn't rained in San Diego in 4 months. Decided to rain as we took the car out to test. It's a little nervy driving this car to Vegas. It's about a 5-hour drive. We're gonna be driving at night. We have barely any tools. And the thing that I'm sketched out about the most is that we're on R888s, which are not a good rain tire, but it's not too much rain.
Take this.
So it'll be fine. It's just definitely not ideal. And the things that we really hope don't happen is something to just go wrong with the car. The car, driving-wise, with the engine and all that stuff, has been fine. Ever since we put the blower on it, the thing has worked, no issues. But it's been a while. It's been almost 2 months, and now we have a body kit that we're damn sure is not gonna fall off or it's not gonna go anywhere, but it's definitely scary. It's definitely a little freaky. So we're about to start our drive. Let's see how it goes. After 5 hours, baby, we have made it. And they're setting up for F1. So traffic is great. We're literally on the F1 track right now. Do you notice how smooth the road is?
Yeah.
This is the actual road that they drive the circuit on.
So sick.
Just super sick.
Yeah! Ooh, that exhaust sounds good.
Sounds super sick.
Well, we're here.
It's been a long 4 or 5 days.
Yeah.
I'm tired. Oh, but it feels good.
Feels
the
good.
smell of cigarettes smells great.
Smells great.
And then I received an email from SEMA. I literally just got this email as we're getting into Vegas. And it essentially says that the auto manufacturer sent a formal complaint to the board and that the Mustang is banned from being at SEMA this year. I'm pretty upset because there was still a fighting chance that we were gonna make it, and honestly, like, I thought it would pull through. But if we can't show the car on display, we might as well go fucking use it.
Yo.